Hi, this is Tim Kelly from LTC Breakthrough, and thank you for joining us today for Long-Term Care Insurance 101, the basic building blocks. This is a part of a 5-part series, and this is the 5th and final part of that series. So if you haven't watched the first 4, please stop this video now and go back and watch the first 4 prior to proceeding to this one. So without further ado, let's get started. So the basic building blocks of any long-term care insurance policy are the monthly benefit, the benefit period, the elimination period, the inflation options, and finally, number 5, the benefit triggers, which is what we're going to be discussing in this video today. So let's discuss the benefit triggers. The first of the 2 possible benefit triggers are when you need assistance with at least 2 of the 6 activities of daily living for a period of at least 90 days as a result of loss of functional capacity. Now, the activities of daily living are things like bathing, dressing, eating, toileting, transferring, or continence. So when you need assistance with at least 2 of those out of the 6, and you are expected to need assistance for a period of at least 90 days, your benefits will start to be paid by the insurance company. So that's number 1. Think of this as you age, your body may start to break down and you may need to start needing assistance with the simple things that we do every day, like bathing and dressing and eating. Now, the second benefit trigger is if you have a severe cognitive impairment requiring substantial supervision to protect the person from threats to health and safety. So what is a severe cognitive impairment? That is things like dementia, which may include Alzheimer's. We know that Alzheimer's has become very prevalent in our society today. Most of us know someone who has that condition. And as we age, unfortunately, we may be in great physical shape, but we have not found the fountain of youth, and our mind may start to break down, and we may have something like dementia that requires someone to watch over us. So the 2 benefit triggers are when you need assistance with at least 2 of the 6 activities of daily living for a period of 90 days or more, or if you have a severe cognitive impairment. If either of those 2 things happen, you will get money out of your long-term care insurance policy. So this is all about how do I get money out of my policy? If one of those 2 things happen, you get paid. Finally, how do you prove this? Well, it requires a certification from a licensed healthcare practitioner. Now, for most people, that's your primary care physician. So your primary care physician would write a note to the insurance company saying, hey, John needs assistance with bathing and dressing, and I expect that he'll need that assistance for more than 90 days. Whatever that time period may be, it may be for the rest of your life, it may be for the next 6 months. As long as it's more than 90 days, the policies will pay. That's how they define long-term care. It's if you need care for 90 days or more. Similarly, if you have a cognitive impairment, your primary care physician can perform a standardized test. It's a short-term memory test, and based upon the results of that standardized test, they can determine or diagnose you with dementia. And with a note, again, certification from your licensed healthcare practitioner with those results in it, with the formal diagnosis of dementia, your policy will pay. So once again, requires a certification from your licensed healthcare practitioner that you're going to need assistance with 2 out of the 6 activities of daily living for a period of 90 days or more, or you have a severe cognitive impairment. That's how you get money out of your long-term care insurance policy. So thank you again. This is Tim Kelly from LTC Breakthrough. You can reach us at 888-909-8833. You can also go to ltcbreakthrough.com, or you can email me at tim@ltcbreakthrough.com. I'll also put a link below in the description where you can go to ltcbreakthrough.com directly from there. Thank you for joining me today.